Hey there, Rad Rover fans. So just wanted to show off this build. It's for sale, up for grabs, but it's pretty much a Series 2A 88, but it does have a Series 3 transmission, so that's really cool. It's a synchro mesh gearbox, so that's really nice and sought after. We were given this vehicle originally because the brakes were all locked up and smoking and squealing, and so the owner had this built for him, and then they did a bad job, so they came to us and we did a good job. So spent quite a lot of time and money with us as well after the fact it was built, and we fixed everything from all the wiring to all the wheels, totally rebuilt, and quite a lot of upgrades as well, like this modern air horn. Lights work and all that. That's the USB and 12-volt dock there. Blinkers work very nicely and cancel out nicely. Leather steering wheel wrap. Handbrake works very well. We went through all of that and rebuilt it. All the wheels have been media blasted and powder coated. Brand new canvas top, brand new hoops. We'll show you. So there's all LED lights there in the bumper. We rebuilt everything having to do with the axle flange outward. We rebuilt everything, so now everything's all brand new, bearings and everything. Brand new shoes, brand new slave cylinders. So everything from the axle flange outward, we did that. All the tie rods, they're all brand new. We did that, and this is the best steering Series Rover I've ever had the pleasure to drive. It's way better than mine, and mine's that little one right there. This is a perfectly functioning, ready to go machine, and just want to show you all the little upgrades. It does have a brake booster, brand new master cylinders there on the pedals, custom throttle assembly because the one that came with was just no good, so we did the cable throttle, this is a really sweet setup, and it runs and drives great. We easily get up to 50 miles an hour, and everything's brand new here. Brand new fuel pump, distributor, carburetor, water, coil, spade block, fuse block there. And there's your emergency battery cutoff switch right here. So USB ports, real-time voltage readout there, 12 volt as well. And then that's just for roadside assistance. So it's just magnetic. So you just pull that out, put it on somewhere that is steel, because obviously these cars are mostly aluminum bodied. But all that works, and it's all been gone through, and it's very, very nice. So this is a perfectly functioning vehicle. There's nothing to do, and ready to go. It gets used regularly, and we're in Sarasota, Florida, so climate's fantastic. Brand new old man emu shocks back here. Rebuilt and powder coated. Brake assemblies, the handbrake back has been rebuilt completely for the rear drive shaft. All new lip seals and so on. If there are leaks, it wasn't us. They weren't things that we touched when it arrived at our shop to be fixed. So we can obviously do all that, and if you have anything of interest that you want to see changed or fixed or upgraded before you acquire it, you're more than welcome to let us know, and we'll tackle it and make it happen for you. See, all that wiring is super clean now. I have a really gifted electrician, and he did a really fabulous job finding every little thing, pulling out stuff that was just not being used anymore. There's your dimmer switch, very green LEDs. Same there. So it's just on the dimmer, so you can use it or don't use it. But everything is ready to go here. There's no need to do anything at all. And it is a perfectly functioning vehicle and used regularly. So let us know if there's anything you'd like to change and modify, and we'll fix it and tackle it and take it apart, and that's what we do at Rad Rovers. We do full frame-off restorations from scratch on series vehicles, especially Series 2, 2A, and 3. So this is right up our alley. If you want to ask us to do something, we're more than capable of handling it. And we're open for offers of any number, so feel free to chime in with what you think you would like to bid for it, and let us know. We're in Sarasota, Florida, and you can message us at radrovers@gmail.com, or just look at our website, radrovers.com, and you'll find us there too. So feel free to chime in, and hope this is of interest to you, and happy hunting.